We made it to our Airbnb. It's a shared bathroom. This is it right here. It's pretty nice compared to the hostel we were in before. We made it to San Juan del Sur. I'm excited. We're gonna go get something to eat because we're starving. But here is the hostel. Or the Airbnb, I'm sorry. Living area. Kitchen. Alright, we're gonna go get something to eat. We'll see y'all later. Hey, good afternoon. So after breakfast we went ahead and took a nap. I was exhausted. Now we're out and about again, showered fresh, ready to do some drink and eat and just walk around and see what happens.
It cannot last, but at last I can finally see.
Thank you for your sweet and bitter fruits. Yes, I got it there in my Tony. Stop your head, drop your breath. Yeah, today, come on down to the gym.
Alright, so we just finished hanging out at a local bar. Had some drinks, food, and live music, which was amazing. Now we're heading back, get some shut-eye for early adventure tomorrow. Bye!